This is my turbocharged Integra that I finished and wrapped around a year ago. Now, the previous installers of the wrap didn't do a great job, and I decided it's time to redo it. However, when I went to pull the vinyl off, it took literally all the paint up with it, leaving me with nothing but bare primer. Luckily, C3 is gonna help me out, and we're gonna get this car back to looking fresh once again. Finally got the car fully prepped, and we're ready for the vinyl to get laid down, and we're gonna start with the hood, because this is the easiest panel.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I've never done this before. This is my first time ever wrapping a car. So today we're gonna change that. I'm gonna learn how to vinyl wrap, and we're gonna do it on the easiest part of the car so that we don't screw it up and have to redo it.
Super excited. Let's go.
Heck yeah, we're gonna jump right into it.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's cream. This is gonna look really, really good. It's funny. It looks a little different on video as it does in person. It's pretty similar, but you can really tell the difference between this is the new vinyl. This is very, very much creamy, and this is the old vinyl. Now I got this because this is just what I could get, but this is very much more of like a sand beige. This is cream.
Very creamy.
Very creamy.
Very creamy.
I'm very excited for this. And then you guys haven't seen the livery yet. I'm not going to show you the livery yet. I'm going to make you guys wait to see that. But the livery is going to really tie this all in together. It's really going to make this color pop. And it's going to make the car look really good. So excited to see that. Now, while Marcus and Caleb from C3 were working on the major, harder parts of the car, I decided I'm going to give the gas door a try. It's a fairly small piece, pretty simple, so I thought I would try it out and see how I could do. Inspection time.
Go. There's a finger right there.
Oh, frig, okay.
There's also another finger right there.
So that corner needs to get...
There's also a finger right there.
Oh.
There's also two fingers right there. And there. And there. But that's fine because like this gets trimmed right here anyway.
Okay, so should I redo it?
I would heat it to 200 degrees first.
So like give it a good post heat, right? I didn't do that yet. I didn't like...
Yeah.
I didn't heat the
out of it. Or sorry, are you family friendly?
Yeah, family friendly.
Heat it.
Okay. Second opinion?
Wow. It's a gas cap.
Sick!
Let me see.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, smells like gas cap.
Get back to work.
Yeah, you got a little bit of fingery there, but you know what? Overall, it's not half bad, man.
Okay, thank you. Heck yeah. That's staying in the video. No! I don't know how someone's voice can go that high.
Oh, hurrah.
What time is it?
Too early.
Too early. We are cutting the livery now. So we've got this black vinyl.
Don't show over here.
Don't show over there.
It's a secret. Bro, you can't expose me. Delete that video. You can't expose my addiction.
So yeah, we're gonna be cutting out all of the stickers, the sponsors, everything that's going on the car, other than the actual like livery part of the livery, if that makes sense. That's all gonna be going on here. So all like the logos, that's getting cut out in black, and we get to watch this thing go. Okay, I'll see you when it's done.
Tomorrow.
We fixed your lead. Oh shit, he's recording. Oh no. You know how you said you hated that it flared out?
Yeah.
So we fixed it.
Oh my goodness.
Is that better?
That looks so good.
We just have to press down the middle.
It looks kind of funky on video because
Yeah.
you just do the vinyl. It doesn't look like the inlays there, but oh, that looks great. And then you said this will push down a little bit.
We have 3.
Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna push it down now. We literally just drilled these through, and we did the zip ties like this, but we're gonna put this nut thing or the little cap thingy on the back side, so you'll just have a little straight, so you won't see screws. You'll just see a flat
Heck
zip.
yeah!
So.
Oh, dude, it looks so good.
Right?
Yeah. It looks, dude. Oh my gosh. You know how long I've been getting comments being like, "Put a front lip on your car. Put a front lip on your car." Why haven't you put a front lip on your car? You're welcome. I did it. Oh, and the rear bumper, dude. It looks perfect. I don't know if you guys have noticed this before, but my rear bumper fitment was atrocious previously, and these guys fixed it. And they did it with washers. You can kind of see them in there. Brilliant minds. Yeah, it looks so good. Wow. Wow.
A little bit deeper is
Insane.
And then
Where am I squeegee? Oh, hello.
It's coming along.
We get there.
What are the odds to get a bunch of comments to be like, it actually looked better without a lip?
7.
7 out of what?
That's the
that's-
secret.
Oh.
Nobody knows the denominator, you know?
Yeah, like 7.
Yeah.
Okay, so car's done. We just took it over to get a detail because it was absolutely filthy. Right here at Evoke Auto Spa here in Calgary.
Says the guy wrapped this, hey?
Oh my gosh. That looks incredible. Dude, it looks incredible. I don't think I've ever seen this bay look this clean before.
Glad you like it, man.
Yeah, wow.
you go with the little brush.
Yeah, dude. You know the makeup brushes?
Yeah, the little horsehair brushes.
Wow.
I tried to take it easy on your valve cover. It looks sick, but I want to
Yeah.
off it, right?
Yeah, I did. But no, it looks great. It looks shiny. We like
So
it.
ready for the show?
Look at the bottom of your hood.
Oh yeah, what the heck? That didn't look like that before.
Dude, the thing that made
a lot
me
more
go
oil.
crazy is this is clean.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Wrap the engine bay now.
Yeah.
Your side of the hood.
Take a look inside.
Damn.
Oh wow, yeah.
You left so much stuff in there. Bro, he found so much shit.
Oh my gosh. Where did that come from?
That was under.
Was it like down?
Yeah. I
Okay.
took all the carpet out, and it was by the spare tire.
Okay, so I spent probably, how long did I spend going through this thing? Like pulling crap out of it.
Probably like 2 hours. I kept yelling at him because I was like, I need to pull my portion.
Yeah.
And he's like, literally, he's like, just give me like 15 minutes. And it was like an hour later. And
Yeah.
I was like, when didn't you say you were bringing it over to Abby like an hour ago?
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, it's almost done. He's like,
Dude,
I can't get this door card on.
much stuff in here. I didn't
Dude, well, I got you a few more goodies. You know?
Yeah, exactly. Look, bunch of tools, bro.
They're all greasy though.
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, what the heck, dude?
That looks clean.
It looks, this is genuine, like, with, like, by a long shot, probably the cleanest I have ever seen this car. I was saying, I've had this car detailed probably, like professionally, like, once.
Oh yeah.
And it was, like, a good job, but it wasn't, like, next level or anything
Bro, they
like that,
could not
so.
tell that literally, what, like a week ago, this car was like completely ripped apart.
I'm gonna post,
And
like,
it's
photos
also, like,
now,
yeah,
dude.
no
I'll show you some as well,
no
dude.
paint at all. The whole
Yeah.
outside.
And now it looks like
Primer,
this.
Crunchiness, bumper sagging like an inch down.
You guys knocked it apart.
We did our best.
Man.
With primer. It's really hard to stick primer with primer.
No, I was gonna say. No, it's.
I'm actually geeking out of my socks twin.
No, brother.
Oh, wow. It looks incredible. Thank you so much.
no
I
worries.
appreciate
My
it.
pleasure, man.
This is awesome. All right. Now I got to take this thing out and get some like photos of it now.
Right
Yeah.
away, right?
Yeah, exactly. Before it gets dirty again.
Bro, I just realized I've had an app for this.
Okay, this is my roommate Morgan. You guys know Morgan. It's dark right now. He can't see the car in the garage, but damn.
The pearl in this is sick.
It pops, doesn't it?
It's so cool. It's just in like the right lighting.
Mm-hmm.
It's so sick.
You kind of get that shine there.
Yep. Small box shaver, we still gap it.
Bro, you ever realize you just drove all the way home without?
Oh!
Oops. I passed by multiple cops too on the way.
But anyways,
But anyways,
the color looks sick. And the actual like base color is
it's perfect. This is cream.
this
This is cream.
matches the valve cover.
No, the valve cover is a little bit more yellowy. Because the valve cover is trying
Opposite
to...
of last driven.
I know, it's just so funny. But this is like think of another color, like an actual other color to call this other than cream.
No, I mean it literally looks like when you pour like coffee creamer into your coffee.
Yeah. Cream.
It's really good.
Thanks, man. You like the livery?
I do.
What do you think of the livery? Be honest.
I mean, like I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I told you I liked it when you showed me the designs for it and stuff.
Yeah.
Personally, I like liveries that have like, I want to say more going on.
Right, but you also know me though, right?
Yeah, you want your car to be more subtle than me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, like, you know, personally, I would want
Show the hand
something on the hood, something on the back, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But it does look really good. And I mean, considering where the inspiration's from,
Baby steps, all right? Baby steps.
considering where the inspiration's from, this is pretty spot on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
So, I don't know if I've said this in the video yet, but if you haven't caught on, when Morgan says the inspiration for this livery is Ja Rule's Integra from the first Fast and Furious movie. Now it's very much taken and redesigned in my own kind of style. Really, there's only like 2, maybe 3 things that are like the same.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say the like the design down the side of it is like, it's actually it's similar, it's different, it's a little bit more unique, it's slightly different, but it's similar. The door number on the side is like a similar idea. Again, it was like his like said something different at the top. It obviously didn't say Acura, it's a different number.
Place.
The other thing is the brand locations are also pretty similar. The big one being the tire sponsor, of course, right above the front wheels. So we love Hankook. So you like it, Morgan?
I do. Yeah. I mean, I like your car, so.
Awesome.